Dear students, welcome to Miva Tutorials. This Miva Tutorials is a web application that provides you the live virtual online coaching classes of economics, statistics, mathematics and econometrics for college students at UG and PG level. You can see that I have opened the home page of Miva Tutorials through the web link www.mivatutorials.com. As I mentioned earlier that Miva Tutorials provide virtual classes. Today I am going to show you how these virtual classes works on Miva Tutorial and what procedure you need to follow to join these virtual classes as a user or as a student. So student, the method is very simple and quick. All you need to do is to get yourself registered with Miva Tutorials. First of all, using this middle tab here that says check out the courses to choose and get register / sign up. Here you can choose the subject of your choice and you can pick up the subject of your choice and get yourself registered through filling a very simple online form. Now once you are registered with Miva Tutorials, you can log into the website through your login credentials provided by Miva Tutorials at the time of your registration. Like here, I'm going to do this just to demonstrate it to you. Now, once you are logged in, it will take you to your My Account page. Here you can see. Now on this page, you can find all the details of your account, your timetable, your subscription, contact details, the downloads available and your support tickets. As you can see, it's showing the active paper this user has subscribed for. At the bottom, when you scroll down here, it shows the active timetable, the courses and the associated paper for which the live virtual classes are going on Miva or Miva Tutorials. Now the day when your class is scheduled, all you need to do is to log into your account so that you can come to this page here. Like this. Your page will show you all the details I've just told you. Now the paper this user has chosen is Macroeconomic Analysis for MA in Economics. We'll click the MA tab and here we can see all the active papers, among whom we will choose the paper for which we have subscribed, which is this one. The moment you click this particular tab, the dedicated scheduled slot will come here and will appear here. So on the day when you are going to have your class or when you are going to take your class, all you need to do is log in, come to your My Account page and click this box